My new math trick. Hi, my name is Matthew. That's math as is mathematics and you as in you are going to learn some multiplication tricks. Before I share the new tricks, let's just review some other things to remember when multiplying. Remember, 0 times anything is always equal to O. 2x 0 equals O. Now it's your turn quick. What is 4x O? That's right, it's 0. Good job. Remember, 1 times anything is always equal to the anything. 1x 6 equals 6. Now it's your turn, quick. What is 1x 9? Great work, you are correct, it's 9. And of course you remember that 10 times anything is the anything with a 0 added at the end. 10x 3 equals 30. What is 10x 5? That's right, it is 50. Now here is a trick you can use to help you with the times 9 multiplication table, for 9 times 0 through 9 times 10. First, write down the table. 9x 0 equals, 9x 1 equals, 9x 2 equals, 9x 3 equals, 9x 4 equals, 9x 5 equals, 9x 6 equals, 9x 7 equals, 9x 8 equals, 9x 9 equals, 10x 9 equals. Next, complete the table with the easy answers for times 0, 1, and 10. 9x 0 equals 0 times anything always equals O. 9x 1 equals 9. 1 times anything always equals the anything. 9x 2 equals, 9x 3 equals, 9x 4 equals, 9x 5 equals, 9x 6 equals, 9x 7 equals, 9x 8 equals, 9x 9 equals, 10x 9 equals 90. 10 times anything equals the anything with 0 add to the end. Simple enough, right? Next, pretend you don't know the answers to 9 times 2 through 9 times 9 and starting at the top 9x2 write the numbers 1 through 8 next to each. 9x0 equals 0.9 times 1 equals 9.9 times 2 equals 1.9 times 3 equals 2.9 times 4 equals 3.9 times 5 equals 4.9 times 6 equals 5.9 times 7 equals 6.9 times 8 equals 7.9 times 9 equals 8.1 times 9 equals 90. Added to the end. Simple enough, right? That was easy. Now do the same thing but start at the bottom. 9x9. 9x0 equals 0.9 times 1 equals 9.9 times 2 equals 18.9 times 3 equals 27.9 times 4 equals 36.9 times 5 equals 45.9 times 6 equals 54.9 times 7 equals 63.9 times 8 equals 72.9 times 9 equals 81.1 times 9 equals 90. Success! You can easily write down the times 9 multiplication table for 0 through 10. Times 11 everybody, yes, that is what I said, times 11, it's scary, or is it? First, look at one-digit numbers multiplied by 11. It is much like multiplying by 1 except there are 2 places in the answer. 1 times anything is anything or in this case anything anything. 11x0 equals 0 remember, 0 times anything is always O. 11x1 equals 11.11 times 2 equals 22.11 times 3 equals 33.11 times 4 equals 44. 11 times 5 equals 55.11 times 6 equals 66.11 times 7 equals 77.11 times 8 equals 88.11 times 9 equals 99. Wow, that was easy, but can you easily multiply 2-digit numbers by 11? Yes, and here's the trick. These are big numbers but don't get scared. Let's look at 11 times 15. Take the number you want to multiply by 11, in this case 15, and imagine a space between the 2 digits, 1, 5. Now add the 2 numbers together. 1 plus 5 equals 6. If the answer is a single digit 1, 2, 3, etc., put the sum in the space to get your answer. 165. So, 11 times 15 equals 165. Go ahead and try a few. 11x12 equals, the answer equals 1 1 plus 2 2 or 1 3 2. 11x26 equals, the answer equals 2 2 plus 6 6 or 2 8 6. 11x81 equals, the answer equals 8 8 plus 1 1 or 8 9 1. You didn't know you were so smart, did you? Oh, what do you do if the numbers in the space add up to a 2-digit number like 10 or 17? Well, it's a little tricky, but not hard. Let's take a look at 11x77. Imagine that space between the 7 and 7, 7 7. Add the 2 numbers together. 7 plus 7 equals 14. Put the second number into the space, in this case it is 4, 7 for 7. Then add the number 1 to the first number. 7 plus 1 47, or Let's do a little more practice. The challenge, 11 times 29 equals 29.22 plus 99.2119. Keep the second space number in the space and add 1 to the first number. Opening parenthesis 2 plus 1 closing parenthesis 19.319. 11 times 29 equals 319. Let's do another great big one just for fun. 11x 98 equals 98.99 plus 88, 917.8. Keep the second space number in the space and add 1 to the first number. Opening parenthesis 9 plus 1 closing parenthesis 78.1078. 11 times 98 equals 1078. Wow, you catch on fast. With a little practice, you will be able to multiply two-digit numbers by 11 in your head. Practice and challenge your friends or maybe your teacher to a two-digit times 11 contest.